How to enable two-step verification for rank mode in Rainbow Six Siege. Watch the video till the end so you don't miss any important step. If you want to play ranked matches in Rainbow Six Siege, Ubisoft requires that you enable two-step verification on your account. Here is a step-by-step guide. Go to the Ubisoft account management page and sign in with your credentials. Once logged in, head to the security settings section, click on activate two-step verification. You have two main options, email verification or mobile verification. You will receive a unique code via email every time you log in. And if you are using mobile for it, use apps like Google Authenticator to generate time-sensitive codes. In the fourth step, complete the setup, follow the on-screen prompts to finish the process. Make sure to save your backup code just in case you lose access to your device. After enabling 2SV, restart your console or PC and open Rainbow Six Siege. If rank mode still is not available, double check that your gaming account is properly linked to your Ubisoft account. Why enable 2SV? Besides unlocking rank play, two-step verification strengthens your account security and protect your personal data. Secure your account today and level up your competitive experience. That's it. Thank you for watching.